Okay, so hello everyone. Today we will be seeing that from the easy section +1. So what we are given here is we are given a list of integers. What we have to do is we convert the list into a single integer, then add +1 to it, and then we again convert it to the list of elements. This one is also same: 4321 to 4322, 0 to 1, and 9 to 1 comma 0. So what we do is we convert all the list of integers to a single integer. For that, what we do is first we will initialize sum equals to 0. So what this will do is this will store the sum of all the integers. So now we will apply a for loop for items in our digits, and then what we will do is we will add the numbers. Sum is equals to sum into 10, and we will add brackets to it, and then we will add the next our item. So what we'll do is what we are doing here is we are taking each item, like for 4 we are taking 4. So 4 0 into 10, 0 plus 4 is 4, then the sum is equals to 4. Then the next number is 3, so 4 into 10 is 40 plus 3 43. Okay, so and then again the 43 is stored here, then 43 into 10 is 430, and 430 plus 2 is 432. So the here we have got our sum, and then what we'll simply do is we will return a list of, so a list of the sum we have got. So what we will do is we will typecast our integer into first as string and then to the list. So what we will do is we will first typecast our integer to string, and then we'll typecast it to a list. So let's see. uh, so we have our sum as an integer, so integer to string str of int, which is our sum, and then we have to convert it into a list. I think that's pretty much it. So what this will do is this will convert it into a string, like we have 1 2 3, then it will convert it into our string as 1 2 3, and then it will convert it to 1 comma 2 comma 3. So that's how it is. I think that's enough for it, and if we run the code, it is wrong answer. Yep. Sorry. So we have to add +1 to it. So +1, as you can see, 1 2 3, our output was 1 2 3, and the expected was 1 1 2 4, as we need to add +1 to the last integer. Now if we run the code, we'll see that our code has run successfully. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.